Hey everyone, this is Ivan Santiago, your Central Florida Realtor, here on location again, bringing you another tour, a personal tour of a home. This is in a community called Kindred. Kindred is a newer community. When I say newer, it's been out for a few years, but it's got a ton left of life on it. There's plenty of phases that are still to be released with different builders. This community will be connected with another community that I'll be showing you in future videos called Tahokwa. And they both neighbor right on the border of St. Cloud off of Neptune Rd in Kissimmee. The particular builder I'm going to show you right now, this is a DR Horton home, and this home is called the Allex. It's approximately 1,500 square feet, and it's in their Express series of homes, which basically means they are a little bit more cost effective. They do a little bit of different options to help out with the budget, but they're still a nice product. So let's go ahead and take this personal tour of the Allex. hope you enjoyed this tour of the Allex. As stated earlier, this is part of the DR Horton Express series. They have a few things that you may have seen that are standard in this model and the models in this line, such as carpet in living room areas and bedroom areas. Those things come standard as a cost saver to you, the client. But it's a nice, cute home. It's a nice, cozy, smaller floor plan. And if you'd like to find out more about this floor plan or any other things that I've shown in the past, or if you have anything that you're interested in seeing in the future, please reach out to me and let me know. You can even put a comment down below. As always, like and subscribe, hit the bell notification icon. That helps to get you notified when there's new content coming out. And I'm trying to get you a ton of content here in the near future and continually beyond. So thank you again for your support. I look forward to seeing you in the next video.